So good morning again. For those of you that do not know me, I'm Kawana Johnson. So I'm the mentoring director here at the MagLab. And every year we bring in an amazing group of REU students from all around the country to learn research here at the MagLab. So we're excited that this summer we have 13 students that have been with us since May, I think it was May 28th when we did our orientation session. And today's our final day, August the 2nd. And they have been learning a great deal from all the amazing mentors, postdocs, grad students, just team members in general, and staff members here at the MagLab that have been supporting them. So what we wanted to do this morning was give them an opportunity to share with you what they've been able to learn, and also give you an opportunity to share some feedback with them. So this is a 10-week summer program here at the MagLab. These students work with a diverse group. They're a diverse group of undergraduate students that work with scientists, engineers, and researchers. And this summer we had 13, and they're actually representing 9 colleges and universities. So for this session, each student has been given the task or the challenge of presenting what they've learned in 10 weeks during a 3 to 5 minute presentation. They're going to try to keep it on closer to the 3-minute time frame, but each student has been given that task. We know it's not an easy task, but it's something that's going to be a great benefit for them moving forward, because we know that a lot of graduate schools do similar things, 3-minute pitch competitions. So they're going to be able to share with you what they've learned to scientists and non-scientists. So we hope you enjoy this opportunity to hear from each one of them. And what we ask before we dive deep into the presentations is that you please remain muted. Everyone remain muted. If you're able to turn on your cameras, please do so. We also, we're not going to stop between each presentation for question and answers. What we're going to do is we're going to flow right through all 13 of them. So each student will do the 3 to 5 minute presentation, then we'll go to the next student, so on and so forth. Now, throughout the process, if you'd like to add comments to the chat as a whole or to the individual student, feel free to do so. And at the very end, you can also do reaction buttons. All of that is fair game for you during this session, but we want to hold all verbal questions until the very end of the presentation. So use your chat feature. Please remain muted, and the students will do the same unless they're speaking. Are there any questions that anyone has before we get started? Well, if not, this next slide shows you kind of the order of the presentations, how we're going to flow today. So the first 3 presentations will be given by Felicia Kudrowski, Janelle Thomas, and Natalie Ibbotson. Felicia's from the University of Wisconsin-Eau Claire, Janelle from Florida A&M University, and Natalie from California State East Bay. So we'll start by hearing those 3 presentations, then I'll pop back on the screen and introduce the next 3, and so on and so forth. All right, so I will stop sharing my screen right now so that Felicia can prepare to share hers and her presentation. Thank you all for being here. And Felicia, the floor is yours.